If CapCut on your PC is lagging, freezing, or just feeling slow, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll go through the most effective ways to improve CapCut performance on Windows, including checking your system requirements, closing background apps, updating CapCut, updating your graphics driver, clearing the cache, and lowering preview quality for smoother editing. These are simple fixes, but they can make a huge difference, especially if CapCut is struggling while you edit or export. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, before changing anything inside CapCut, check that your PC actually meets the minimum system requirements. If your computer is below the recommended specs, CapCut may still open, but it can lag a lot during playback, timeline scrubbing, or exporting. Make sure your processor, RAM, storage, and graphics support are strong enough for video editing. If your PC is older, that doesn't mean CapCut won't work, but it does mean you may need to keep your projects lighter and reduce extra load anywhere you can. Next, close unnecessary programs running in the background. If you have browsers, games, launchers, recording tools, or other heavy apps open, they can take up memory and the processing power that CapCut needs. On Windows, you can open Task Manager and look for apps using a lot of CPU, memory, or disk usage. Close anything you don't need while editing. This alone can often make CapCut feel much smoother because your system has more resources available for previews, effects, and exporting. After that, update CapCut to the latest version. Outdated versions can have bugs, performance issues, or compatibility problems that make the app lag more than it should. Open CapCut and check for any update option inside the app or reinstall the newest version from the official source if needed. Developers often release performance improvements, so staying updated is one of the easiest ways to fix lag without changing any of your edit settings. Now let's move on to a very important fix: updating your graphics card driver. CapCut relies heavily on your GPU for smooth editing and preview performance, especially when you're working with effects, transitions, and high-resolution footage. If your driver is outdated, CapCut may not run efficiently. Go to the website for your graphics card brand, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest driver for your system. Once the update is complete, restart your PC so the changes fully apply. This step can significantly improve stability and performance. Another fix that helps a lot is clearing CapCut's cache. Over time, cached files can build up and slow the program down. To do this, open CapCut, go to Settings, find Cache Size, and clear it. This removes temporary files that CapCut no longer needs and can free up storage as well as improve responsiveness. If you've been editing for a while and CapCut starts getting sluggish, clearing the cache is one of the first things you should try. If CapCut still feels laggy, lower the preview resolution while you're editing. This is especially helpful if you're working with large video files or multiple effects. Lowering preview quality reduces the amount of work your PC has to do in real time, which makes playback smoother and easier to edit with. You can still export in full quality later, so this won't ruin your final video. It just helps your editing experience feel much faster and less choppy. And one more thing to keep in mind: if you're exporting and CapCut is slowing down during that process, keep everything else closed and make sure you have enough free storage space on your drive. A nearly full drive can also affect performance. Simple maintenance like this can help CapCut run much more reliably over time. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix lag in CapCut on PC, make sure your computer meets the minimum requirements, close background apps, update CapCut, update your graphics driver, clear the cache, and lower preview resolution when needed. These steps solve most common lag issues and can make a big difference in how smoothly the app runs. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.